In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fender bracket on this Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's get started. On each side, where the fender liner meets the bumper cover, you'll see several fasteners. There are 2 Phillips head screws here and a 10mm up there. Let's take them all out. 10mm socket. Remove this bolt. If you turn your wheels in the opposite direction of the side you're working on, you should be able to fit a screwdriver here. If not, you'll just have to use a ratchet with a bit driver. Take that out. And looking further down, there is one more. Take this out as well. Follow the fender liner in, and at the bottom you'll see that it has a plastic retainer. I'm just going to use a trim tool, try to pop these 2 apart. There we go. And of course, do the same to the other side. Underneath along here, you should have several push clips. Mine are all missing. They are broken, so for now, there's nothing I can do to remove them because, well, they're already missing. Along the top, you'll have 2 10mm bolts and 2 push clips on the grill side right here. So 10mm socket, remove this bolt. There's one on the other side headlight, and then the push clips, you can just use a trim tool, pop out the center and the rest of the push clip. One more over here. Now you should be able to pop both sides out, pull sideways, and with that done, pull the bumper away. Now to get this fender bracket off, you can tell that it's partially loose. If yours is broken, it will already be mostly off of here, but it has 2 retainers that go in from the bottom right over here, and we'll have to pinch them from the inside. This is what they look like in there. I'm going to use a pick to get at the tabs in here that actually hold this on. Just press them in as you pry down. If you do pry down, use something that's plastic. I have this plastic trim tool here, that way it doesn't scratch the fender. Now for this rear one, I can go in from the back side. Okay, I had my trim tool stuck in there. And now you can pull this off, and there it is. To reinstall, you have a tab at the front here that has to go right through this hole in the fender, and then these 2 clips that lock in. Slide this in first, and lock these in. That's it. Now grab your bumper cover, slide it over, make sure you don't scratch up the fenders or the headlights. Try to get it to seat in place, just like that. Once you do that, you can let go. So that the bumper somewhat stays on, I'm going to install the 2 push clips at the top as well as the screws. 10mm bolt right over here. Make sure that's snug, and do the same to the other side right next to the other headlight. On each side, the bumper needs to clip onto this bracket, and it has 2 sets of hooks, one on the top and one on the bottom. You want to make sure it goes right in between those, and then tap it on. That should make it clip on and pretty much secure itself. Reinstall the 2 screws that hold the bumper and the fender liner together. There we go, just make them snug. And of course, put in the other one. And the one right in the corner here. And now, resecure the fender liner onto the lower valence panel. There we go, let's get that push clip slid through. And if you had any of these push clips, go ahead and reinstall them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.